Welcome to another Terraria episode. It is almost daytime. I have also figured out how to talk. There's a zombie. How to see what Jake? How I can tell how to see what Jake's wrong. Jake wants to say. Well, how to chant and stuff like that. The good thing about here is that your items don't break, so get destroyed. Like in Minecraft, when you use items, they could get destroyed. I'm doing it pretty good now. So, yeah, don't wanna hurt Jake. Jake is regen. He just regen to 140. These demon eyes. And I was lame. As I promised, I will. Oh, there's a fallen star. As I promised that I will be starting the daytime, it is now daytime. Well, yeah. You don't hurt my friend, zombie. Oh. Okay, Jake. So as he said, I am here to give you advice on what to do next. It is recommended that you talk to me anytime you get stuck. And when it was nighttime, he said that I need to be in the indoors. So that's what I'll need to do. But now I'm going to cut down this tree because I'm going to be building a house. Because last night we did not do well. So yeah. Now Jake's going to start regenning here. So I'm going to just keep cutting this tree down. As you can see, it is. Whoa! I'm going to plant these acorns because I am going to need trees in the future. Now, how do I plant these? Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, I'm going to find a big open space here. Oh, this looks like a nice place. Oh, I found a copper coin. I'm gonna also get a piggy bank soon. So I'm gonna break dirt with. Oh, we can break dirt with a pickaxe here. Nice. Aw, the sunflower. Okay, now I'm going to. Where's dirt block? I'm going to just grab some of this and place it some down. There we go. Replanting the environment. Because I broke the environment. No, I broke it. Sorry about the yawn from. Now I'm trying to break this dirt block. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to get this wood and start building. Hopefully I will survive the next night, and soon I will be building a better home and bigger home. Better and bigger home, eh? So I'm going to just put this here. There we go. I think that's my house. That's my house. It's not the best, but I can live with that. So I'm gonna build up. Oh, I see a slime. There we go. That's how tall my house is going to be. Now I'm going to just. Oh, I'm gonna just place this block, these blocks, and try to jump on one. Oh, no, I know, no. You, I trapped him. I trapped you. There we go. It's like a step stool. Uh-oh, I saw that. That looks like a nice design for my house. I can see that looks like a nice design. So I'm gonna do that. They are just like step stools. So that. Maybe I'm not going to do that yet because I think I should make a bigger home. Okay, I'm just going to do my best to make a house here. No. I'm just getting a nice design here. That looks like a nice design, I think. Ah, just saw a bird. Well, that could, I don't know what that is. It's a duck. Hello. Oh, I'm a monster. I feel so bad, but sadly, what I don't like about Terraria is that you see blood. So yeah, I don't really like blood. To see blood. So I'm going to about end this video almost here, but I'm going to just go to my workbench. How am I going to go to my workbench like this? Ow! Looks like for now I'm going to just have to make this like as my backyard. Ooh, and here you're pretty tall. Wow, you're 3 blocks tall. In Minecraft, you're 2 blocks tall. Interesting. Okay, I need a wooden wall. Well, up. There we go. Wood wall. There we go. And you need tons of wooden walls. So I'm gonna just trade it. There we go. I'm going to start putting the walls up. Oh. Hey! Stop hurting me! You're just a little slime. Slimes don't need to hurt me. There we go. Build the walls. And there. I'm going to end this video here for now. I'm going to continue building the walls up and outside the video. So that's the end of this video here. Bye.